places, we? Eh?
Yeah, 20 places.
20 places. Filters. Trelissick garden.
Garden, yeah.
Trelissick garden.
2 miles.
What's that green smiley face? Michelin.
Michelin.
Yeah. Click on that. Plan arrival. Let's go.
Go.
It's calculating, ready to navigate. It's 2.5 miles away.
Yeah.
And we're going to get there at 11:01.
Proceed to highlighted route.
Cool. Let's go then. Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a little walk. Under the moon.
Above.
Where's the best place to park the motorhome?
Here.
Okay.
Big spaces at the back.
Brilliant. Thank you. So I think the house is open during some time. No, it's not open today.
Do they do a Christmas Trelissick?
Don't know. The house is only open at weekends at the moment, and then every day from the beginning of April until nearly the end of October, and it goes back to weekends. But it is worth checking the National Trust website to double check. Trelissick is set on its own peninsula with stunning views over the Fal River estuary. The house was originally built in 1750, remodelled in the 1820s and further extended in the late 19th century. Aha, so this is the front. It's very palatial, isn't it? No? And down there in the water, in the sea.
Coastal.
That's where I did that 1 mile swim.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Karen was feeling sick.
She was.
She was seasick.
She
While
was
swimming.
seasick. She was seasick all the time. In memory of Ronald and Ida Copeland, who gave Trelissick Estate to the National Trust. The estate was donated to the National Trust by Ida Copeland in 1955 following the death of her son. The house had been used as a summer house and continued to be lived in until 2012.
What's in here?
It's a little place. You can have a sandwich. We haven't got a sandwich though. This is... oh, I don't know. Oh, there's a bridge. Garden bridge. Oh, we are here. Oh, there's loads of paths. Look. And then there's a bridge. Oh, there's a bridge that takes you onto another side.
Okay.
Ah, okay. Maybe that's not open. And then there's the ferry, see? Snowdrops! I was going to say daffodils and then I saw snowdrops. What, these will be bluebells here, won't they?
Yeah.
Loads of places to sit.
And that's a different restaurant, isn't it?
So, I think we tried to work out that last time, I don't know. What's the boat?
Fal?
Not sure. That's the one the ferry crosses.
Is it?
Yeah.
So what's that? Let's see. Let's see.
There's a camellia. Very early bloomed. That word bloomed. Not sure if it is a word. Lots and lots of paths to walk around in this garden, isn't there?
A maze.
Yeah, it is a bit like a maze.
It's amazing.
An amazing maze.
You can see the ferry down behind it. You can hear it.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Just.
We'll get a better view in a minute.
Yeah.
It's a King Harry ferry.
Yeah.
We used to cycle, well we have cycled, from one side on the ferry and come over.
There we are.
Yeah.
Hell of a hill.
To come out of Trelissick,
Yeah.
off the ferry.
Yeah.
It goes, I don't know, it must be nearly 20% probably in places, and just goes on and on and on.
It does. Hard work that is.
Up to the Trelissick
You have
house.
to stop at Trelissick Cafe first and get a coffee.
And then it levels out. And then you head towards the top of Truro, don't you?
Yeah, I think so.
That's a big cycle day from where we live.
Big cycle day. We did it when we stayed at Moreau's Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Over. Was that a word?
When we did it with the guys, I think it was like, it was a 100-mile ride, pretty much.
Is it?
Yeah. By the time you have to do the loop,
Yeah.
back home again.
Oh, so you get the ferry and down here somewhere. See if we can find it.
We'll go past that way quick.
Yeah.
There you go.
There's a bridge over there that takes you into another part of the garden and an orchard, but I don't think we're going to go that way. I think we'll head back up and then go down to the beach. Yeah?
Beach!
Down to the beach. See Rapunzel's tower over there in the distance. It's Rapunzel's tower over there.
You going down there?
I need you to help me. Can you get down there? Sun's gone in, it's got bit dippy.
And it's a bit breezy down here on the seafront.
On the seafront, isn't it? Lots of seaweed on the seafront. Follow the river round.
Follow the river for a little while.
Yeah. Woodland walk. Yeah.
Pulled it all out.
Yeah. Yeah, there. One. Hello. No, you come on. Come on.
Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring outside. Open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. I'll be just fine. Heading for the western shore, while the sun it slowly fades. Days are full, and I'll spend them with you. Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine.
That pontoon is there at Trelissick because that's the King Harry Ferry. Yeah, you can get a boat to Falmouth or to St Maurs, and then you can get a ferry from St Maurs to Falmouth and to Place, all sorts of places, all along the River
We
Fal.
walked up here. We did this.
We did the
Passage.
Healthy Passage,
And
yeah.
we got a ferry across, a little
Yeah,
boat
we
across
did.
little-
Yeah, that's,
didn't we? And we had
this
lunch
is part
there.
of the Fal River links. No? We got a ferry from Falmouth to St Maurs because we cycled along here and then we went all the way like over there and we got the ferry to St Maurs, but we also walked and got the little ferry across to Place. That is beautiful around there. Anybody? This is the Roseland Peninsula.
St Anthony's House.
Yeah, St Anthony Head. I've got to walk up this zigzag. Looks like beer.
beer here.
Hot spiced apple, classic sponge cake, and you've got what? Spicy toffee apple cake. Oh, and
Spicy
your
toffee
3 shots of coffee.
Right. Comes with it. What I want.
You could have had a 4th shot.
I know. I think I paid for the first shot. I decided I didn't want it. What I want is a large flat white, but they don't do large flat whites.
Please tell us where we can get a large flat white.
It's got to be the same flavour as the normal flat white, but just bigger and white. It's like, they don't do it. But apparently,
What?
there's something coming out of Australia called the Magic,
Oh.
which is going to be a large flat white, but it's going to be called the Magic.
The magic. The magic coffee.
It'd be magic if they manage to do it. Constantly.
Right, eat your cake. So we're heading home now. We've had a lovely little walk around Trelissick Gardens and the estate. Hope you've enjoyed coming along with us on this little one-night trip away.
Yeah, hope you're enjoying the drone footage. It's our maybe 2nd or 3rd time with the drone, so
Yeah.
if you enjoyed the drone footage, give us a shout. If there's any ideas, any advice,
Yeah.
and I may have to improve it, then let us know.
I think you've done pretty well.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Well.
We'll see.
Anyway, so thank you very much for watching, and we will catch you guys again soon.
Yep. Take care.
Bye.